What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a short video, but I just wanted to let you guys know about something really cool that Hot Wheels just did. And before we get into the video, I just want to let you guys also know that we just hit 2,000 subscribers. Thank you for that. It's crazy how fast we're growing, and I haven't been posting too many videos recently, but I'll definitely be on it and posting new videos. I have so much stuff for you to unbox for you guys. So let's get right into it. So basically, Hot Wheels put a treasure hunt, the mod rod, for this year in the exact same livery, the one that they made this year, in 5 packs. This is crazy. I can't believe that they did this. And you can see they're literally everywhere. I saw a whole bunch of them up and down everywhere. So this is a great way to unbox a treasure hunt if you don't feel guilty of like unboxing a normal one. You could unbox one from a 5 pack, which makes a lot of sense. And if you do manage to collect the entire 2023 set of treasure hunts, and then this is included in it, I think that the value of it would increase a ton. I don't know if they're going to start doing this, because I think this would lower the value of the actual treasure hunt that's inside of the box. But this definitely is a good idea. Um, I barely noticed this in the store, which is one huge reason why I'm making this video and posting it immediately, is because the only thing that caught my eye in that 5 pack was that the top two cards were like a dark blue or a black and not the normal blue as the rest of the pack. And then when I looked at it a second time, I noticed then there was a treasure hunt inside. So it was not that easy to spot. If you know like most of the main lines Hot Wheels is coming out with this year, then it'd be easier for you to spot. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that. Keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.